Hey, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And again, I still have this Panasonic Let's Note FV4 laptop. And today we're going to talk a little bit about the issues that I found with it. And I have a couple of issues that I want to point out. First off is there's no upgrade option to add 4G LTE broadband to this unit. So you can have this unit. It does have internal Wi-Fi, so you can use that. It also has Bluetooth. So you can have a hotspot, I guess, to access the internet, but there's no internal built-in card for you to have built-in LTE 4G. The other issue I found on this, and I only found a couple of things, is this screen. So you notice when I pick up this screen, if I go from the corner, it kind of flexes. I'm a little concerned about that as to what that'll do to the screen on the long-term use of this laptop. The hinges are fairly rigid and tight, so when you do lift it up, it kind of bends. I don't know, that doesn't feel good to me. It seems like it should have more support on the screen. The other thing that I noticed on this is the power button. Now, one of the issues on an older, in the same basic business laptop is like for the CF-C1, they had the same kind of slidey power button right here. And it always was the #1 replacement part because it wears out and loses contact so that it will no longer turn the laptop on or off. So I'm hoping they've upgraded this. I haven't noticed any problems so far, but that is one of my concerns with this unit. Other than that, it has plenty of ports. I would question whether the battery lasts 10 hours. I haven't tested it for that amount of time in full usage, but Panasonic says it does last 10 hours. Other than that, that's all I got for you on issues. Don't forget to like this video. Hey, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments down below and let me know what you think. See you guys next week.